So in the previous lecture, basically we discussed how to minimize a function using method called the Boolean expression, right? We already discussed about some Boolean theorems. Based on that theorems, we minimize a function like two variable function or three variable function, right? So K-map or the Karnaugh map is an alternative method to solve or to minimize a function, right? K-map is generally used when there are more than two variables, right? When there are two variables, three variables, four variables, and five variables, right? So K-map is generally used to solve a function that has more than two variables, right? But less than or equal to five variables, right? If the number of variables becomes more than five, then also it becomes very difficult to solve with the K-map, right? So in the K-map, basically gray coding is used. Gray code means the successive numbers are differ by one bit, right? So what is the meaning of this? Successive numbers are differ by one bit, right? Means suppose this is your first number, this is second number, this is third number. See, this is third number, this is fourth number, right? So see, successive numbers are differ by one bit. What is the difference between first and this second? This bit is same. There is a change of this first bit only, right? Here in the first number it is 0, second number it is 1. Similarly, in the second and third, see, first is same and there is a difference of the second bit, right? So the successive, all these numbers are differ by one bit. This is the meaning of the gray code, right? So in the K-map, this type of coding is used, right? So basically K-map is the pictorial representation of your function, right? In which we will assign various weights to particular cells, right? And based on that cells, we will minimize over any function, right? I will give you some examples, right? For two variable function, three variable function, SOP form, POS form, right? So one more thing you should remember for the K-map, that both SOP as well as the POS form can be minimized with the K-map, right? So both SOP and the POS form can be minimized with this K-map, right? So now we will take one particular examples of two variables. Now we will start with the two variables, three variables, four variables, right? So first I will tell you how to represent a two variables, how to represent a K-map of two variables, right? So for example, in two variables, for example, this is your function, right? And one more thing you have to note in the K-map, then there are the multiple solutions are possible in the K-map, right? Multiple solutions of a or multiple like based on as per your group, right? You have to make the some groups in the K-map, right? I am going to explain what is the meaning of these groups and all. Based on that group, your answers can be different, right? So multiple solutions are possible in the K-map, right? Okay, so here this is one function which has two variables a and b, right? And here I am saying b is your LSB and a is your MSB, right? So how to represent a K-map of two variables, right? So I am not like assigning any values to this function, right? So here first I am only showing how to represent a K-map for the two variables, right? In the next I will tell you how to minimize this function, right? So first, for any variable function we have to draw the K-map for that, right? So if there are two variables, then you have to remember that for the two variables, there are how many cells in the K-map? There are only 4 cells in the K-map if there are the two variables. And so what is the meaning of the cells? Right? So this is your K-map for the two variables, right? So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are your 4 cells, right? These are your 4 cells for the two variables, right? So we can give number. So this is your one side, right? This is your this side, right? So in the one side you can assign any A, or this side you can assign your LSB, right? There is a no hard and fast rule. You can also assign B this side and A this side, right? Clear? There is a no hard and fast rule. So you can assign these variables as per these things. Fine. So you can assign LSB here or the MSB here, right? So there is no hard and fast rule that only the MSB you can assign at this side or the LSB you can assign this side, right? So now I told you that the K-map gray coding is used, means the successive numbers, like this is your 0, this is your 1. So both this first number and the second number, there is a difference of 1 bit, right? So similarly here, there is a difference of 1 bit. This is the way of assigning the weights to this K-map, right? So here the 0 means, A bar basically, right? Here the 1 means only the A, right? Similarly, here the 0 means B bar, right? And here the 1 means only the B, right? This is the meaning of this thing. So this first cell, so now the numbering of the cells. So what is the meaning of numbering? This first cell is basically your 0 number, this next cell is 1 number, this cell is 2 number, this is 3 number. So why? See, both these row and this column, this is your row, this is your column, both these are at 0 0. So 0 0 means, what is the number for 0 0 in binary? Binary to decimal, 0 0 represent your in decimal 0, right? And so this next cell basically represent 0 and next it is 1. So this is what? Your 1. So that's why this cell number is 1. Next, this is your 1 0. So this 1 0 represent in decimal. In decimal it represent 2 na, right? So this cell number is 2, right? And the next 1 1. So this 1 1 represent in decimal 3. So that's why this cell number is 3, right? So any doubt in this? Because all the K-map is based on this like representation. Fine, no doubt. Okay. So this is a way to represent the K-map of the two variables, right? So for the three variables, so this is a function of three variables, any function. So for three variables, how many cells? How many cells? Or the maximum possible combinations for the three variables? Maximum possible combinations 8, right? So you have to draw the 8 cells K-map, right? So now first we will draw the 8 cell K-map. This side I am representing A1, A, and this side BC, right? You can make the reverse. This side you can also represent AB and C this side. If this side B and C means the two variables and this side only one variable. So with one variables maximum possible combinations may be 0 and the 1, right? So there are only two rows, right? One this and one this. Now at this side there are how many variables? Two variables. Two variables. So how many combinations with the two variables? 4, right? So we have to make the 4 column, right? Like this. Okay. So we have to make this 4 column, right? So what is the first combination? 0 0. What is the next? 0 1. What is the next? See, I already told you in the K-map which type of coding is used. Gray coding, right? So see, this is first, this is second combination. If I am saying 1 0, then how many bits difference between two successive bits? दो बिट्स का डिफरेंस, 2 bits difference, right? So that's why 1 0 will not come here, 1 1 will come, right? In the next, what will come? 1 0. Understand? Right? So here 1 1 will come, here 1 0 will come, right? So what is the number of this cell? What is the number of this cell? 0. What is the number of this cell? See, this is 0 0 0. This is 0 0 1. So this number of this cell is 1. What is the number of this cell? Now tell me. 3, right? Now what is the number of this cell? 2, right? So numbering should be like that: 0 1 2 3, right? So similarly this is 4, like 1 0 0. This is 1 0 1 5, and this is 1 1 0. This is 6, and this is 7, right? So this is the way of numbering, right? So in the reverse way or in the opposite way, you can also do like this. You can say, sir, we can take two variables at this side and one variables at this side. Then how many columns? Two columns. And how many rows? 4 rows, right? So that's why I told you the multiple solutions are possible in the K-map based on your numbering and based on their pairing, right? If suppose in the question it is given, right? So 0 1 0 given, right? Here, if you change this order, right, A, C, B, then it's completely meaning of this question is different, right? So here the ACB means here C is 1, and here in that particular, if we are taking ABC, here B is 1, right? Clear? Means if you are taking ABC like this, then it becomes A bar, B, C bar. But if you are taking ACB, the function is A bar, C, B bar. Both are different. Understand? Any doubt in this? Three variables, right? So can you do the same for the four variables? Okay. So just a minute. So four variables. How many cells are possible for the four variables? 16, right? So I am saying A, B, C, D, right? Here we can say A, B, and here the C, D. So how many rows, how many columns? 4 rows, 4 columns. Clear? So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 0. Similarly, this side 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. And numbering, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Any doubt about this numbering? I directly give this numbering right now. So this numbering based on this combination, right? 0 0 0 0. Now 0 0 0 1. Now 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 0. Similarly for the 15, see the combination 1 1, and here also 1 1, right? So 15. So this type of this representation is same for both SOP form and the POS form. Right now we will take some examples to minimize the SOP form. After that we will take some examples to minimize the POS form. Also in these examples I will tell you what is the meaning of don't care condition. So in the first of the lecture I told you that there are the three types of representation: zeros, 1, and the don't care condition, right? Don't care condition, according to our requirement or according to our function minimization, we can accordingly put as a 0 or the 1, right? So now I am going to tell how, at what conditions we can represent or we can take don't care as a 0, at what condition we can take don't care as a 1, right? So here I am giving one function. So the function is, this is your function, two variable function. We will start with simple one, two variable function, 1 2 3, right? you have to solve this function or you have to minimize this function using the K-map, right? So this is what? Sigma m, sigma small m, this is what? Your SOP form, right? SOP form, standard min terms, right? Here min terms are 1, 2, 0. So what is the meaning of at position 1, 2 and 3? This function is what? This function is 1. This function is 1, right? At position 1, 2, 3, this function is 1, right? So how to draw the K-map for this? You know, the for the two variables, how many cells? Only the 4 cells, right? Here we can say 1, here we can take 1, V, right? Here we can take 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So you know about the numbering. So what is the meaning of this? At position first, second, third, this function is 1, right? So what is the meaning of this number 1? Means 0, 1, or we can say A bar B. This is the meaning of this thing, na? What is 2? What is 2? AB bar. What is 3? AB, right? So this is the meaning of this thing, right? So from the next example, I am not going to explain this thing, right? So this is now clear, right? So now first position, second position, third position, this function should be 1. This is the meaning of this thing, right? So this is which position? And which is one position? This is one position. So at this position, your function is 1, right? So this is which position? 2. This is 3. So at this position, we put our function values, that is your 1, right? So now to solve any like K-map, there is a one standard procedure, right? So the procedure is this. In any K-map, first you have to see if there are possible pairing of the octet. Octet means 8 terms together. There is a 1 bit difference in 8 terms together, right? Clear? So next you have to see the card. 4 pairs, 4 terms pairs, right? Clear? Next you have to see the pairs, 2 terms. Next you have to take the single terms, right? And then in the final step you have to remove the redundant term. So for the two variables, so now this is octet is possible in this example or not? Octet. Octet is not possible because there are only the three terms here, 3 ones, right? So octet is not possible in any case. Like now the quad is possible or not? No, quad is also not possible because there are only 3 terms. This is like nothing is assigned here at zeroth position, right? So now the pairs is possible or not? So pair is possible, right? So this is your one pair. This is your one pair, right? Right or wrong? This is your one pair. What is the second pair? This is your second pair. This is the meaning of grouping, right? This is your second pair. Clear? Means see this first pair, this pair and this pair. There is only one bit difference, and this also this. There is only one bit difference, right? So these two pairs are possible, right? So now how to minimize these things, right? Now the meaning of this remove redundant terms, right? So now there is no single terms, so there are the two pairing. Okay, so now how to write the final answer based on this grouping, right? So first this is your pairing, right? This is pairing. So what is the output from this pairing? So the different bits you have to ignore, right? Means only we have to take as the 1 here. 1 means B. And from this pairing we have to take as the this 1 we have to ignore here. From this pairing we have to take only the A, right? So the final answer is for this function minimize thing is A plus B, right? In the opposite way you can see these two terms. What is this terms? What is this terms? A bar B. And what is the second terms? This terms A B, right? So we can take as per the Boolean expression, if you want to say A plus A bar is 1, so B, right? B is your answer. Similarly here from this we have to ignore these different terms because this becomes the pairing, and in the if there is a pairing A plus A bar, it becomes the 1, so that's why we have to take only these terms, right? Common terms between these two pairs, right? So we have to take only the common terms between the pairing. Understand? We will take the second example here. Our function is given FAB and this is given A bar B bar plus AB plus A bar B, right? So we have to simplify this using the K-map. So how many variables are there? 2 variables. So maximum possible. So there are the 4 cells maximum possible as per your previous example, similar to that. A, B, and this is your 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, right? This is 1, right? Because A bar is there, and this is also 1, and this is also 1, right? So now how many pairing are possible? 2 pairs. One is this, and second one is, right? So from the first pair, from this pair, what is the common term? A bar, right? From this pairing, what is the common terms? B. So what is the answer? A bar plus B, right? Clear? So clear. So what happens if we take, so what happens if we take like this? If we add A B bar also here, what happened in that case? Can you tell me? What happened in this case? This term is also 1, right? This is also 1, na? AB bar, right? So now tell me, quad is possible or not? Quad is possible, complete 4 pairing, right? So what is the answer? If complete quad is possible, so answer is 1 in that case, right? So one more thing, suppose the statement is given sigma m 0 1, and then this is also given, this D means the don't care condition, right? This is your function which is given. Now you have to minimize this function. By seeing this function, it is clear that there are the 2 variables, right? So again I am drawing this A B, right? So this is your K-map. Now your function is 1 at position 0 and the 1, right? So this is 1 and this is 1, and this is don't care at position what? 3, right? So this is don't care. Don't care generally we are representing with the cross X, right? Here now tell me, see, the don't care condition only we have to assume when by using that don't care your function should be minimized, otherwise we have to ignore that condition, right? So here if I am ignoring this, or if I am taking zeros, x equal to 0, right? So what happened? There is a now only one pairing. There is a now one pair, and what is the answer? This is a one pair. Answer is not 0, A bar, right? Here, if I am taking x equal to 1, then this is also one pair. So the answer, answer is a bar plus b. Which one is minimized function? Only a bar or a bar plus b? This one is minimum. One is minimum. So we have to take x don't care as the 0 in this case. Understand? When we have to taken or when we have to ignore the don't care, right? So in the second example, I am giving the second example. Just a minute. So here if I am saying 1 and 2, right? So this is 1, this is 2 and don't care is at 3, right? Now tell me. So see, here at this position 1 and 2, it is 1. So this is 1, this is 0, 1 and this is 1 and this is don't care, right? Not 0, don't care, right? So now tell me how to this don't care we have to take as the 0 or the 1. Now see, if we are taken as don't care as the 0, then this is single terms, this is single terms, and what is the solution of that? Single terms means a bar b and this single terms means a b bar, right? And now, right now, so if we taken this x equal to 1, now this one pairing and this second pairing, right? So from this one first pairing b and from the second pairing a, and the answer is a plus b, right? So which one is minimized function, a bar b plus ab bar or a plus b? A plus b, right? So that's why we have to take here in this case we have to take don't care as the 1, right? Now again one more example. Now tell me what is the answer of that? So there are the two variables. So at this position 0, 1 and 2, right? These are the ones. And what is the don't care? At 3, right? So what we have to taken? X as 0 or X as 1? If we have taken as the 1, then it becomes all the quad, right? And what quad means 1. Answer is 1. If we assume it 0, then what is the answer? 1 this pair, 1 this pair. From this pair, answer is a bar. From this pair, you have to take the common terms is b bar. So answer is a bar plus b bar. Which one is minimized? Minimized function. This one or this one? One is minimize function. Minimize means the minimum number of the basic gates required to implement that function, right? Kmap is used to solve and to minimize that expression so that minimum number of basic gates can be used to implement that function, right? Not minimum number of your universal gates, minimum number of basic gates. Remember this thing, right? Now I am giving one example of three variables, right, of SOP form. Till now we are discussing only the SOP form, right? So in the next, after taking these 2-3 more examples, we will start over the POS form. Now you have to simplify this expression. This is your expression. 0, 1, 3, 6, 7, right? So now you have to minimize or simplify this expression using the Kmap, right? Now solve it. So these are three variables. So 8 cells, right? This is A, this is B and C. This is 0, 1, this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 1, 1, 1, 0, right? So you know the numbering of cells, right? This is which number? Zeros number. At the zeros number, your function is 1. At the 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the numbering. So at the 0th, this is 1. At the 1, this is 1, 3, 1, 6, 1 and 7, 1. Right? So now tell me. Quad is possible. Octet is possible? No. Quad is possible? Quad is possible? No. Right. Then only the pairing is possible. So which one is the pairing? Which one is the pairing? How many pairs are possible? First is this pair. First is this pair, right? So I'm giving the different colors to different one. This is your second pair, and this is your third pair, and this is your fourth pair, right? Clear? So from this pair, which one is the common terms? Now tell me. From this yellow color pair, which one is the common terms? See, A from here and from here, what? B. Right? Clear? Now, from this color, this blue color, light blue color, which one is the common pairs? Tell me. Common terms. BC. BC is the common. BC. Right? Now, B from this green, which one is common? A bar. A bar, and from this is your C, right? And from this blue one, which one is common terms? A bar, B bar. So what is the answer? What is the minimize simplifies function? A bar, B plus AB plus BC plus A bars, right? This is the minimize function. Now, one more thing you have to remember here. So now forget about this thing, right? Forget about this thing, right? Now tell me, by seeing this key map also, the fifth step, right? The fifth step, which is the fifth step, remove the redundant terms, right? See, now see. Here this is your one pairing, this is your second pairing, right? And this is your third pairing, right? So this fourth pair we can ignore. This fourth pair, because see, in the fourth pair, already this one is paired with the other thing, and already this one is also paired with the other thing, other pair. So we can ignore this BC, right? So this BC is called the redundant term, which can be reduced. This is your redundant terms which can be reduced. See now, this first pair is this blue, then this green one. Now, and then if we make this yellow one, now see, this one is already paired with this green, with this A bar C, and this one is already paired with the ABC. Then what is the need of this extra pair BC? So this pair can be removed and this term can be reduced, and this term is called the redundant term. Understand? Understand? And what is the second possible way? That's why I told you multiple solutions are possible, right? So what is the second way? See, now the second pairing, possible pairing is, see, this one pair we can pair this thing, right? Second we can pair this thing, third we can pair this thing, right? This pair also we can ignore. This is your redundant term. So now that it will give the different solution. It will give the different solution, but both solutions are correct, right? So that's why I told you K-map can give the multiple solutions. Both solutions are correct. If you are saying we can take this term as a single terms, right? So now from this, what is the solution from this first pairing? This is A bar, B bar, and from the single terms, what is the function? A bar BC, and from this third pairing, from this third terms, what is the function? A what? B, right? Clear? You are saying this thing now. What is this? Extra gate we have to use, right? Here we have to use the extra gates, right? If these terms we can ignore this one variables, or we can ignore this variables, right? Like this. Clear? So to implement A bar BC or to implement BC, which one is simplified one? BC, right? Here the extra number of gates are used, right? Clear? So this is the way. If in the exam you did the same thing, then it will be the wrong. This is not the simplified or the minimized function, right? Okay, so one more examples I want to take. Can you minimize this function? So this is also 3 variable function. So this is 0 cell, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, right? Now tell me how to minimize this. Now the quad is possible or not? Tell me. Quad is possible or not? Yes, this quad is seen. Clearly possible, right? Clear? Now, next quad is possible or not? So, what is the answer from this quad? What is the common terms? C only, right? C only. Now, next quad is possible. So, C. Now, first, the purpose of this quad and all this pairing is to minimize that thing, right? So, from this quad, what is the common terms? Common terms. See, this is different bit, this is different bit. Only this is common, right? And here in here at this row side, also this 0 is different, 1 is different, right? So we have to choose the common terms, right? So here only the common terms is 1 and 1. 1 means C, right? C. So that's why we have to take as the answer as the C. Clear? Clear? Now next quad is possible or not? Tell me which quad is possible? No. So next pair is possible, right? So which one is the pair? Now you can also say, sir, you can also say this pair is also possible. Can we take this possible? No, because within quad, if already these terms, these already ones comes into the quad, then there is a no need of the pairing. So the pairing inside the quad is not possible, right? है ना? Pairing inside the quads, because there is no meaning of this, because already all these ones are simplified, right? So if you take the extra pair here, then we have to add the extra terms, right? Clear? So it is not the simplified or the minimized expression. So we have to take only this pair, right? Because this one is not included in the quad, right? So the fully pairing within the quad is not possible, right? So that this pairing is possible. So what is the common terms in this pair? A bar, B bar, right? So from here this 0 is common, and from here this 0 0 is common, and 0 0 here represent B bar, and this 0 represent here the A bar, right? So A bar, B bar. So what is the answer of this? A bar, B bar plus C. Clear? Clear the thing? Now from any book you can try more examples of 3 variables, right? 2 variables, right? Now I am giving you one more examples of the 4 variables. Clear? So just a minute. I'm giving one more examples of 3 variables. Then we'll move to the 4 variables, right? Now tell me, this is all the ones. I'm not giving any function, just I'm representing. I'm telling how to solve it, right? So now these are all the ones, right? Now tell me, how many quads are possible? This is your one quad. Second quad is, yes, this one, right? This one. Clear? Clear? So what is the answer? And what is the answer? Answer from this A bar, and from this B, right? Now clear? Now in the similar question, okay, I am adding one extra ones, right? So here in the similar question I am adding extra one here. Now tell me, how many quads are possible? Okay, first simple terms, we are, one is this quad, right? One is this quad. And what is the second quad? As I already shown you in the previous, this one is second quad, right? Which one is third quad? This one, and this one. Now see, why I am saying this thing? Please, this is important thing you have to remember. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now tell me, this is possible, na? This one, this one, this one, this one also make one quad, because see, there is only one bit difference, right? See, this is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. How many bits difference? How many bits? 1 bit difference. So this is also one possible, right? How many quads are possible? 3 quads, right? Clear? Any doubt in this? This thing I want to clarify here, right? This type of quads is also possible. So in this question, now this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? This is don't care. So we have to take don't care as a 0 or the 1. We can take it as a 0 because it will not affect. It will make this pair, right? Clear. If we take the 1 and unnecessary, we have to make one more pair, right? So this is not required. Here, similarly here, if I am saying this is 1, this is 1, and this is don't care, this is don't care, and this is 1, this is 1. Now tell me, if you are taken as a 1 here, then you have to take the 1 quad, right? And 2 pairs, right? 1 quad and 2 pairs. These pairs. Clear? 1 quad, 2 pairs, right? And in the second case, if I am saying this is 0, then what? Only the 2 pairs, right? 0 quad. So now in this case, we can ignore this quad, right? Quad can be ignored in this case because minimize is only the 2 pair. Why unnecessary add one terms from this quad, right? So this quad is not compulsory and can be redundant. Clear? Clear? These are minor things you have to remember, right? And these things, when you practice these examples, then automatically it comes in your mind, right? When you practice 2 more examples, 2, 3 at your home, then automatically this comes into your practices. Next is your 4 variables, right? 4 variables. So in the next lecture, we will go for the POS form, right? So first, I'm discussing the 4 variables. If one function is given a, b, c, d, right? And this is with the 4 variables, maximum possible or combinations in decimal 0 to 15. 0 to 15, 2 की power 4. 2 की power 4 means 16 means 0 to 15. 0 to 15 means total 16 terms हो गए ना, right? So now this expression is given 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now you have to minimize this using the K-map. How to minimize? This is the 4 variables, right? 4 variables means how many cells? 16 cells, 4 rows and the 4 columns, right? A, B, C, D. So this is 1, 2, right? So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? At this position, this function is 1, right? So here this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Clear? Now tell me, quad is possible, octet. First you go to the octet, right? Now tell me, octet is possible or not? Right? It is possible, right? So this is your 1 octet, clearly seen. Right? This is your 1 octet. Right? So what is the output from this octet? Which one is common terms? Can you tell me from this octet? Which one is common? Only this one is common. So 1 this represents that. Right? Now tell me, pair is, now tell me octet is okay, fine. Quad is possible or not? No, because within this octet, quad we can't draw the, or we can't take the quad, right? So now the pairing is possible or not? Yes, 2 pairs. One is this pair, second one is this pair. From this pair, what is the output? Which one is common terms? A bar B bar, this 0, 0 is also common, boss, right? And from here, this 1 is common, right? And from this pair, which one is common terms? A, B bar, and what is the output? What is the minimized function of this? D plus A bar, B bar C plus A, B bar. Right? This is your minimized. Right? One more examples of four variables I'm going to take. Directly I'm drawing the K-map. Okay. Here I'm taking 1, 1, 1. Now tell me. First tell me, octet is possible or not? No? There is no octet. Octet is 0. Right? Now comes to the quad. Tell me. So this is your quad, right? This is your quad. Okay. One quad. Right. Now the pairs. One this pair. Second this pair. Third this pair. Fourth this pair. Can you tell me one important thing from here? Did you observe that thing? Quad is redundant, so there is no use of the quad. Right, see already all these quad ones comes into the pair. Then what is the requirement of adding one extra terms from the quad? Right? Clear? So here the quad is redundant. Right? So the quad is not required. Clear the thing? Clear? So these things you have to observe. Clear? Now we are going the 5 variables, right? Up to 5 variables we will study because there is no use of using the K-map when there are more than 5 variables, right? And only in the exams up to 4 variables, or in the maximum in the maths case up to 5 variables, like examiner can ask, right? How to solve a function using the like which are the 5 variables, right? So one last examples I am taking for the 5 variables SOP form, right? So now you know these are your 5 variables. See, in many books different like methods are given to solve the 5 variables using K-map. Right, you can adopt any method, right? So I'm giving one my own method. You can adopt any methods from any book, right? All are like correct, right? So like these are your 5 variables. Okay, clear? So now with the 5 variables, how many possible number of cells? The 5 variables, 32. And and this 4 variables K map, how many cells are there in the 4 variables K map? 16. So 16. So we have to use the 2 K map of 16 cells, right? 2 K map of 16 each cells. In some books, one single K map is given, but here for the simplicity, I am using 2 K map of 16 each cells, right? Means I will convert these 5 variables to the 4 variables. Clear? How I convert? See, these are your 5 variables. So with 5 variables, it starts from 0 to up to what? Up to where? In decimal. Maximum possible number of pairs, combinations. Right? 2 to the power 5, 32. It goes from 0 to 31. 31, right? 31 means for first 0, 0, then what is 1 terms? Which one is 1? Which this is 1. Which one is 2? Which one is 3? Which one is 4? Right? And which one is 15? Can you please tell me? You can write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now which one is 15? Which one is 16? Can you please tell me? Which one is 17? Which one is 31? Right? Means start from 0 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1, all ones, right? This is the maximum possible combinations, right? Clear? Now if I can say first 16 cells or first 16 numbers, A is your A bar, all for the 0 to the 15s. A is your zeros, right? Here. And from the next 16 to the 31, A is your what? A is your 1, right? So I can say A1, right? So now based on this analysis, I will convert this to 4 variables K-map, right? Clear? So means how I convert? So first I need 2 K-map of 16 cells each, right? So I am drawing 2 K-map of 16 cells each. To solve 5 variables, I draw this 2 K-map. Now, which things I have to take here? This K-map I am saying is reserved for A bar, right? And this K-map is reserved for the A. So here I have to take B, C, D, E. Similarly here I have taken B, C, D, E. Understand my point? I have taken 2 K-map, 1 K-map, because in the 1 K-map how many cells? 16 cells, right? 0 to the 16, right? So if we ignore this, if we ignore A, then this B, C, D, E makes what? 4 variables start from 0 to 15, start from 0 to 15, यही बना रहे हैं ना, right? This is for the A bar. The second K-map, that is for the A, start from the 16 to the what? 31. This is also 16 cells K-map, right? This is reserved for the A. Clear the thing? Here what I want to say? Now the numbering is 0, 1, similar to the 4 cells K-map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 28, 29 and 30 and 31. This is the numbering. Now I am giving you one function. Okay, this is your function f a b c d e. Sorry, 5 variables function, right? A b c d e, a b c d e, which is equal to 0, 1, 6, 10, 11, 13, 14. Now you have to minimize or simplify this function. Can you please tell me how to minimize or simplify this function? See, this is 5 variable function. So first you have to draw these 2 K-maps, right? 16 cells each, and first K-map is reserved for the A bar, second K-map is reserved for the A. Like if other is given, right? For example, if it is given X, Y, Z, A, B, right? It is also possible. So you have to take this MSB, right? This MSB X bar and this for the X, right? So don't get confused. Clear the thing? Now we have to take all these position 1. Zeros is this one, 1. Where is 6? 6. Where is 10? 10. This 11. Now this 13. This 14. 15. 16. 17. 21. 23. And 26. 27. Right? These are your ones given. Right? Now tell me how to make the pairs, how to make the quads, how to make the octet. Quad is possible, octet is not possible. So just I am erasing these things because these are getting confused to you, right? So for the simplicity I am erasing these things. This one, Any other? Any other? This quad is possible. This quad and this quad. This makes A1 quad. How? Can you please tell me? See, both are at the same location. It means D, E and this one D, and what is the difference? Of one bit only. A and A bar. This is also one bit, na? Here. See, at this position, both are different K map, but they are making one quads because both these positions are at same positions, but they are having the different one bit. Clear? So in the 5 variables, you can also make the pairs and the quads like this. Not the pairs. Pair is you can't make, or it is not possible to make, right? So 1 and 1 this position. So like this you can make. Clear? Similarly also, what is the second quad? This one, right? This one and this one is your second quad. Clear? Both are at same position, but different is only one bit. A bar, here this is A. Clear? Clear? Any other quad, possible quad is there or not? Pair. This is your one pair. Right? Clear? Now, next thing, this one. And these are only possible pairs. Right? Clear? So what is the answer from this first quad? This quad. Can you please tell me? What is the answer from this quad? Which one is common terms? Which one is common term? See, in this, this is only possible terms. Common. This is your B, C bar. Right? This is your B, C bar. And यहाँ भी तो common होगा. Which one is common? D. Right? This is your first quad answer. What is the second quad? What is the second quad answer? B bar, C bar, D bar. Right? Clear? So here the answer is B, C bar, D plus B bar, C bar, D bar. What is this pair answer? This pair. This one is common. This one is common. D, E bar. And from this which one is common? This one is common, C. Right? So C, E bar, D. Now what we have to add with this? A bar we have to add because this pair is from this only this A bar. Right? Now what is this pair answer? B, C, E, A bar. Right. Clear? B, C, E, A bar. Clear? What is the answer from this pair? A, B bar, C and the E. Right? So this is the correct answer. Understand? Now you can revise this thing. Yeah, it is a little bit complex for the 5 variables. That's why we are not going to solve more than 5 variables by using the K-map, right? Because it is now you have clearly seen. This is all about today's lecture. So, students, if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can send me a mail or you can contact me directly. So for more video update, please subscribe this channel. Fine, so that every information regarding your course or regarding this digital electronics lectures you can get easily. Fine. Thank you for your attention.